Hi, I'm Beth with the University of Florida Escambia County Extension, and we are seeing one of these plants here all throughout landscapes. And the reason is because flax lily is such a great plant for us up here in North Florida. This is a beautiful perennial in the growing season, and this particular one has variegated foliage, which we really like for a full sun or a partial shade area. It's low growing, so it can be used in a lot of different locations in the landscape. Now this year we got a little bit cold up here in North Florida, so flax lily did get some damage. And so what we want to do now is come into this plant now that we've kind of warmed up and cut these dead stems back and let new growth come back out. So we're just going to remove what's dead in here back on this plant that's pretty damaged. We're going to cut the whole thing. On this one over here where we still have some green stems, we may just come in and selectively remove some of the brown. So not a whole lot of work to do, but just a little cleanup with flax lily after a cool winter. Now if you want, now is a great time to dig these out, divide them if they've gotten too big, and put them out and spread them more in a landscape bed. But if you're looking for a really low maintenance, attractive, variegated foliage plant for the front of a garden or a mass planting, think about flax lily and you're really going to enjoy having that plant in your garden. For more information, give us a call here at the University of Florida Escambia County Extension.